joint seminar was hosted by the Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industry in collaboration with the IT Ministry's National ICT R&D Fund on the 26th of January 2012. The purpose of this joint seminar focused on ways to take advantage of ICT tools, encouraging and utilizing the potential of skilled human resources that we possess.
I've acquired two solutions more than 7-8 years back. They're still struggling with few branches automated, running parallel. Few of them have succeeded in partially completing some of their branches. Some are satisfied to some extent, and some are not too satisfied.
I would share KCCI's health vision to start with. The BMG Group and the present leadership has taken very keen interest in the health initiatives. And KCCI, as you heard before, that it is not just looking after Karachi, it's also looking after Sindh and the whole Pakistan in all its initiatives. The vision of KCCI and the BMG Group is to change the ecosystem of the health sector, to really provide quality healthcare deep in rural areas where the people are extremely deprived of specialists and good doctors. KCCI also has a vision to develop globally acceptable systems, health solutions, so that we can export it and have an outreach all over the world.
And it's just the way we think. I also invite you to think in that terms. That while you're doing businesses here and then making profits, and then you are channelizing some part of the profit for those social causes.
What I am pleased to report today, there were some visitors who came from different industry associations inviting me to come and meet them. And I was not willing to be slaughtered. Today I can stand up and say, yes, somebody invited me today as well, and I said, yes, I will be available from the 1st of February to meet you. And the reason I say that is because our teams have worked very hard, they've been very diligent, it's been a very difficult area. Karachi is the most difficult area to handle, and I'll share those reasons with you as well shortly.
Because as research is a continuous process, so we have to have the prior literature. And it is difficult without having these intermediation network. Next to HEC.
आज भी लोग कहते हैं ATM लाइट चली गई मेरे पैसे खा जाएंगे, बिल आ जाएगा, फिर मुझे जाके लाइन में लगना पड़ेगा, बताना पड़ेगा कि मैंने इतने पैसे विड्रॉ किए थे और इतने नहीं किए थे. So I'm not going to use ATM. I'll go to cashier every morning and withdraw my money. It's more comfortable rather than going through a complete queue and going through technology. Another most important dilemma that we face is we do not train who is supposed to use technology, DHR, and that is what I'm going to talk about. The important critical resource IT, if not combined with the right person who's using it, it's going to be disastrous. Because all tools available to us has uses and abuses. It's how we use it. If you don't use Facebook, as Rehan has been pursuing it like anything, if you don't know how to use Facebook properly, it can turn out to be it can shatter image of an organization.
Second thing is the collaboration that Mia Brazak talked about and Dr. Onabaz also spoke about. The committee that is being formed, Pasha has already offered to be part of it. So if the Sindh government, KCCI, National ICT R&D Fund, Pasha, and can work together towards collaborating and then delivering. So it's not just the universities that we need to look at. We have a number of startup companies, young people who start companies and don't go very far because they don't receive the mentoring or the investment that they need to grow.
President Saab se baat ho rahi thi aane se pehle ke he wants to reach out to universities, he wants to reach out to neighboring countries, and he wants to reach out to other people. On that note, I requested President Saab also कि I think और बाहर में खड़ा हुआ था तो एक पोस्टर लगा हुआ था, पीछे भी लगा हुआ है कि हमें ज़रूरत है ऐसी एप्स चलाने की, ऐसी एप्लीकेशन बनाने की जिससे हम आपस में मिलके یا ICT کو انیبل کر سکیں. اور میں نذیر صاحب کو I think 20-22 سال سے جانتا ہوں, and he is always just, I have a lot of respect for him and everybody here. The only thing which I request here is that we need to start using what we have instead of, I mean, it's great to do research, of course, there's no doubt about it, کہ ہمیں تاکہ لذیذ چیزیں بنانی چاہیے. But میں یہ سمجھتا ہوں کہ اس وقت چیزیں بن چکی ہیں اور ہم اس کی اویئرنیس سے اتنے دور ہیں, اتنے زیادہ دور ہیں کہ ہمیں وہ برابر میں رکھے ہوئے ہونے کے باوجود بھی نظر نہیں آ رہی ہوتی ہیں, اور جس کی وجہ سے ہم پھر پیسے خرچ کرتے ہیں اسی چیز کو ری انوینٹ کرنے کے اندر.
آج ہمارا ایک ایونٹ تھا کراچی چیمبر آف کامرس میں, جس نے ہم نے ایک سیمینار کیا تھا, دا جوائنٹ سیمینار فرام کراچی چیمبر آف کامرس اینڈ نیشنل ICT R&D فنڈس. اس کا مین تھیم یہ تھا کہ بزنس میں ICT اپلیکیشن کو کس طرح رول کیا جائے, اور اپلیکیشن سے ہم اپنے بزنس میں کس طرح اپنی ایکسپورٹس, اپنی پروڈکشن, اپنی کاسٹ کس طرح ہم زیادہ کر سکیں.
We have recently started our contacts with ITC, organization of Government of Pakistan, whereby they provide funds for ITC promotion, and we are in contact with them. Today we had a seminar which was very fruitful, and we had a lot of information for what we are going to do in the future and how are we going to proceed.
We have been able to agree on establishing a regular forum of interaction from now onwards, and I believe within the next few days we would be formulating the sort of membership, its rules of engagement and the scope of that forum, and I think that it would go a long way.
Aqsa Tariq, Web Studio TV.